bumper.
It probably came off.
You can tell it came off. You see that light bouncing? Or how it bounced? Oh my god, you're gonna do it again? Oh my fuck. That's a fog light bounce. Fun. What color should it be next? Should the car be plasti dip again is the question. And yes, it's snowing in fucking March.
Everybody's telling me to do red. With my wheels. I think red would be dope though. Everybody said to do red or blue. I was like,
I like gray, man.
gray has some flaws.
These slaps are fucking wicked in the fucking light. Gray. G59. Stock color with snow. Oh. Ooh. Got a little plastic shenanigans going on here. We got a white gas. Okay, it's a Panda car again. I still like the stock. See, if you had the stock taillights in, they would have been like going fucking crazy.
Yeah. Oh, they're not bold. You could.
I can rub it.
Where?
I'm just tripping off all the snow.
It's like salt. Like the salt margarita salt. I want to see it. My fingers are so cold. People were telling me it was snowing outside. I did not believe that. I walked outside. Talked to that one girl. God, dude, I can't.
Damn it. When you spray the plastic dip too good.
Like it wants to stay there. Ooh, look at that one piece. Just can't see the rest.
It's off. It's actually coming up off the seal and everything.
In the bag, that's pretty good. Like
Shark fin. What's the plans for the weekend, Rojas? What are the plans? Putting on what? The new suspension? Putting on new suspension tomorrow? Or this weekend, whatever. Y'all look at that ass right there.
doing a new build my car. Rally edition.
What are you gonna do? Yeah, send it! So yeah, I'm making a video tonight. I mean, if you make it to the end, which this is this part I'm talking. We got some videos coming this weekend. Somebody commented making an exhaust video. We got that. That'll be coming y'all's way. We are actually taking the suspension out, coilovers. You'll see what's going in when I upload the video. But then we're going to have to do a video of installing the other coilovers. Or the coilovers were taken off. I wish this would come back on. I need my lighting. But yeah. But y'all just tell us what you want to see. You want burnouts? We can get that done. That ain't no problem. I mean, there's. If you watch the video, you're gonna see one because I'm gonna post one in the video, which you probably already saw if you made it this far. Post one after I get done talking, followed by our little logo. Oh, and by the way, we got hats. Well, I can't get it. He has it in his room, but we got hats coming out, dropping. You already seen the shirts. So got some basic slaps out too. And glossy. If you need anything, let us know. Hit us up on Instagram. I'll drop the Instagram names right here on the video. Let us know what you need. You gotta have a good rest of the week. Boom.